In this video, I'm going to tell you what the secret sauce is to create webinars that convert every single time. And it might not be what you're thinking. My name is Simone Vincenzi. I sold a few millions delivering high converting webinars that don't get people to roll their eyes. And when people create webinars, they always focus on the script. What am I going to say first? What am I going to say second? And then they look at the structure. What do I say in the introduction? What I'm going to put in the content? What I'm going to put in the call to action? That's a part of it. But if you think about conversion happens with connection. So a lot of times speakers that they go into the webinar space, they focus so much on the structure of the presentation that needs to say this at this time and needs to convert in a certain way that they forget the most important thing, which is themselves, which is the connection that they can create. Because the script is a part of it. Yes, it's important. You want to have a script that converts, that get people to think in a different way, that persuades. That's really important. But the heart is what gets people to connect. And if someone connects, is more likely to buy. And I'm sure that you can think of a situation where you saw a presentation and maybe the structure was perfect, but you still didn't buy because you felt that something was missing. And when you're yourself, when you're fully authentic, when you can relax and be present in the presentation, that's when the magic is going to happen. That's where real conversion happens. And so whenever you're going to create your next webinar, whenever you're going to create another presentation, yes, work on the structure. It's really important. And in particular, if you want to sell, you need to say certain things. However, don't forget yourself within the structure, because you are that magic ingredient, you are that magic sauce that when you unlock that part of you, where you can show up fully for who you are, where you can create that connection, where you can play within the structure of the webinar, where you can fully be present with the presentation, then the conversion will happen. And let me give an example. There is in particular for sales webinars, there is a school of thought that says that you need to have a lot of slides. And slides every 2-3 seconds, because every time you change the slides, it's like a brain reset. That's what actually happens, like you're resetting the brain. However, not everyone works incredibly well with slides. In fact, we have a client that is crushing it with webinars, makes hundreds of thousands with webinars, with 4 slides. She hates slides. The more slides she has, the more out of flow she is and she gets. And that's what I'm saying. You can say the same thing, but make sure that you are delivering in a way that fully connects, that is fully you, that is fully authentic. Because when you merge that with the structure, now there is a power that cannot be stopped, and that webinar will convert every single day, every single time. So you want to create high converting webinar that converts every single time. Make sure you have a good structure, but don't forget yourself and show up fully in that presentation. I cannot wait to see you in another video. If you have any question about creating webinars that convert like crazy without getting people to roll their eyes, just write to me in the comment. And also, if you want a full training on how to create webinars that convert every single time, type webinar in the comment and I'm going to send you the link. Ciao.